See, I was working with a reputed authorized service center before. I was working there for 7 years, and way after that, I managed another workshop for more than 3 years in Sharjah. So this thought came to my mind that why can't I provide a service, a customer service, which is similar to an authorized center, and same time with a reduced cost for my customers. I have a vast range of customers, my own customers, and then their word of mouth people who come to me. So it's like moreover it's a relation. It's a relation what I build over here. So it was my dream to start a garage in Dubai. Because most of my customer base is in Dubai, and I discussed with my friend, and he was like so excited to join hands with me because he's actually out of this. I mean, he's not into automotive industry, but still he's so crazy about automotive industry. So he was very much interested in that, and by chance I came to this location where I'm sitting right now. Which was like it was a luck. And then we spoke each other, and it was very very quick. We started it. That was like July 2019. We started this establishment. One of the most important thing for any startup, may be any startup business, may be a garage or any other industry. You should need a correct, a proper management system. I can say there are several number of companies who provide this management system, but particularly for a workshop, GaragePlug was one which I found during my research of which management system I should go for. So this was particularly for a workshop, and it was so easy for me to decide to go with GaragePlug because GaragePlug had all answers to my questions. So that's how I choose them. And and this is one platform which I get to know that it's not only about managing the system. Here we have to have an interaction with the customer as well. So this also I got through GaragePlug, through the discussion between both of us. So here there is an interaction. This is one of the things. You interact with your customers, you keep them with you, they will stay with you. So that's all about that. And then definitely your tech support. You're all very well readily available always. Whenever we have a query, you're readily available. So those are some of the reason. This is how I choose to go with GaragePlug. During the pandemic, it wasn't difficult for me to handle the customers. We already were clean. We already implemented those paperless concept, paperless transactions. So it wasn't so difficult for me to handle it. So that was like it was new for the customers, but for me it wasn't new. So that is one thing. And then you guys update and upgrade the features now and then, and whichever whatever features I need, if I ask that if this feature is possible to be added, So you never have told that you can't add it. It's all possible through GaragePlug. So that is one of the things. And then mostly, mainly what I said is that the interaction with the customer. You keep this is one of the platform where the customer gets all the details of the job card, or get all the invoices with their it's all in their phone. It reaches their mail, or it reaches their message box, and they get service reminders. So these are all a way of retaining the customer. So that's one of the main reason. You retain your customers. You get business. You just stick on to the new customers, so your business will never grow. So retaining customer, one of the key factor, it's happening through GaragePlug. So that is there. And then not the least, our data are safe and secured, in the cloud system with you guys. So that is also, and paperless, go green. So that's there.